Birthday girl. Hey. Nelly and Son soups. We're gonna have our corn soup here, okay? So you can see they have like meat stuff as well, but they have vegan as well. So Anthony said this is vegan, so we're having vegan. We're gonna have the corn soup. I would love to have the hot tasty chana. For those of you who don't know, chana is chickpeas, and I don't eat meat. For those of you who also don't know that, I don't eat meat. I like to eat just vegetables and stuff like that. So as I said, we are currently on a food tour. First stop,
Old Town Road.
oh, last stop, Old Town Road. We are gonna try a lot of different foods, a lot of great things. First thing we're trying is the corn soup. I really do want to try every soup on the menu, but I'm gonna relax. We also want to eat some tacos. Tacos, definitely need to have tacos. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. We're gonna make it happen though. I don't know because the Old Town Road's no tacos, okay? Tacos. But we're gonna pay attention and eat the food tour food. After the food tour is done, we'll eat everything else. We're getting tacos at the food tour. Ooh. But I'm really excited because I am hungry. Like, we've done a lot of stuff today and I'm so hungry. So this is gonna be really, really fun. I'm about to show you guys my corn soup. They have that pepper sauce. So wait, the spoons are not for eating? Oh, tell us about it. Corn soup is here. We are about to eat it. Corn soup.
It's primarily for stirring. You don't stir it in everything, right?
Yes.
It's a green pepper sauce in here that we love.
That's the shadow
I
benny.
can smell it.
Yeah, it smells good.
We love it.
Shadow benny.
Oh, that's
Our little French patois. Yes. That's what you'll smell today.
Yeah.
And this is everything that you'll be eating this season. So, has anybody tasted it?
Not yet.
She's gonna wait. We told each other to wait.
She's hungry.
You're right. You're very right. Don't pay attention.
Wait, can you tell us the history? Can
Oh,
we
he said we could dig it? Okay, good. He said it.
But just so you all know, we normally drink from the cup. That's why, you know.
This tastes so good. Oh my goodness. Anthony, this is delicious.
Oh. Well, I'll tell them thanks. And who would have thought that vegan can taste like that? This is what I'm telling you.
I know.
So much, but you guys know how to do vegan food.
Yeah. I prefer not to eat meat, so
I know she does, but I love meat. But this is really good. She's like, I love
Me too. So,
I prefer not to eat meat.
if anybody asks me, like, okay, what is one dish that would represent Trinidad and so on, I would say corn soup, because it's like it's comforting, like us. It's flavorful, like us.
We never had soup like this.
Spicy, like us. Yeah. You know, and we can, you know, pick you up when you're down. Like that.
Someone told me before I came that the two things I have to have are corn soup and shark.
And you had both now. Yes.
Thank you,
Yay.
Anthony.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Shark was so good. Oh my god, I love that. Next stop on the tour is doubles. So we've already had doubles since we've been here, but we're about to have a new flavor of them. For those of you who don't know doubles, you will now learn. So stay tuned. We're in Chaguanas right now having doubles. So these are the doubles. We love doubles, by the way. So this is nothing new to us, but we're staying true to it. Thank you. Doubles, napkins too.
How am I supposed to eat this?
I think so.
I know, but now I feel like under pressure.
Sorry, Sam.
You'll say that, oh, we ate this already. Oh my god.
Twice. I need pepper on mine, but not too much.
Next stop.
Slide.
Officially eating doubles on camera, baby. Yes, What do you think? Good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it's a little more spicy.
You're not in Port of Spain.
I'm not in Port of Spain, baby.
So they even have a faucet. Everywhere you get doubles, they'll have water and like soap or hand sanitizer for you to rinse off after you eat your doubles because it's a very hands-on food. I said, how was it? Third spot is Yusuf Gyros. So backstory behind gyros. Hey! Backstory behind gyros. They've got a mix of cultures here in Trinidad and gyros have adapted into their culture. So we are gonna have gyros. But the thing about the gyros is you take away the tzatziki, you take away the tahini, you add pineapple, you add ketchup, and you add garlic sauce, and then you have their version of the gyros. So I'm excited to see what this is gonna taste like. It looks good. We've passed here a few times, and every time we've passed, it's been a long line. So we shall see. So we have the gyro. Let's see. This is good.
I can't front. Damn.
Ezzy, what do you think?
This is so good. Oh my god.
Sammy?
It's scary with the pineapple.
The pineapple and the ketchup was scary, but
There's some seats available.
there's not one thing I've had here that doesn't taste good. Everything in Trinidad tastes good. My God. We're about to get authentic Trini roti.
This is mine that she's making, heavy, heavy.
Yeah, I was wondering how she put the two.
This one is meat in it. All of the meat, right?
Yeah, I saw her do that in the beginning, but I wasn't sure why she put them together. Yeah. So ladies, how's the roti?
It's really good. My lips are on fire because
You got extra spicy.
I got heavy, heavy.
Heavy.
Woo, and it's heavy, heavy, delicious.
So let me just take a little peek at the inside. You got
Amazing.
potato, you got beef inside, and a fresh hand rolled and hand baked roti. You see shorties in the back are enjoying. I haven't eaten mine yet because I'm already so full from this food tour. But the show must go on.
And this is a short one to eat.
What flavor ice cream do they have? Rum raisin?
It's
Grape
whatever,
nut?
whatever they have on the board.
I'm on grape nut. That is homemade ice cream. I have sour sop. There's the list of flavors.
What do you get in the back side? Chocolate?
Let's see what you
Oh, you
got.
get charcoal.
Same
Good.
thing, that's close thing to
So once
vanilla.
you get cookies,
Yeah.
I don't know what else
try
is
to
there.
make yourself
Everybody gets something different.
Did you guys try the rice and spice?
No.
What's that? That's all.
Tried the sour sop. So good. It's kind of like a creamy, custardy, vanilla-y. Yum. So good.
Hi girls, that's how we end the food tour for tonight.
Yeah, Anthony. Thank you for the best food tour ever.